everybody, J&A Review, and today we are at CamperMaxx here in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today we're going to be looking at a Forest River Cardinal, model number 23RK, so let's get started. The length on this Cardinal is 29 feet 4 inches. The dry weight is 7,313 pounds, and that hitch weight is 1,215. All right.
Yes, we are excited to show you this one. We really think you're going to like this little rear kitchen model. This is one of those that's not so long that you can't get it into some of the national parks, but it still gives you plenty of room. So right up here, there's your spare. You got some pretty good storage in here. Coming on around. Your batteries are gonna go in here, and this is where your wet bay is.
Oh. You gotta turn your front lights on.
And your front lights if you want that.
Oh yeah.
Now moving right on down, dump area gonna be down here. Got some outside storage there. Let me show you right down the side here, and let's take a look at the campsite. I do like their front caps. I think the red Cardinal stands out and looks really cool. Coming around to this side.
This may be where your propane is?
Yes.
Of course it is.
Your two propanes are here. And the other side of your pass-through storage.
Hey.
One little disadvantage with the Cardinals, we'll just tell you right up front, there's not a whole lot of pass-through storage on these.
You got a
but you do have a bottle opener. Hey.
plug in, you got satellite, and you've got your solar controller under here.
Yes.
Cool.
Do we know the awning length on this one?
This one is 13 feet.
13 feet. So it's got a little bit of a smaller awning, but it does cover your door. Now coming on down here at the back,
Oh wow.
you have a storage area here, and they give you a plug-in, so if you wanted an outside fridge, this would be a great place to put it. Now we have been told that on the next models coming out, they're going to have electric stabilizers, but this one has got electric jacks on the back, so
They're going to be the leveling.
yeah, the leveling system.
Yeah.
Yes, but this one does not have that.
All right.
So coming on in.
Hey, let's give a big shout out to all of our new subscribers that have started following us, and if they got to our channel through Bob and Carrie of Life Redesign, welcome to the channel.
Yes, we are so happy to have you guys with us. Well, it's a rear kitchen. Let's just start back here in the rear.
Well, all right.
I really like this little rear kitchen layout. You're going to have a wine rack up here above your standard microwave. You do have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Hey.
And there's going to be a little bit of storage below the oven.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Moving on, a couple of drawers there.
Ooh. Soft close.
And they are soft close.
Oh my goodness.
Actually,
Look at
this
all
is,
this.
for a small unit, this is actually a good bit of upper cabinets.
Oh, here, let me just get out of the way.
Yeah, so this is
Wow.
really nice cabinets up here.
And
These are not going to be solid surface, but these are a wrapped countertop. You have a big sink with a high-rise faucet, and he forgot to open the other door there.
oh wow.
Yes.
Hey, look.
The ever-famous trash can. So you see there's plenty of room under there for that. On the other side, you have even more cabinets, and there are another set of doors over here.
All right. Okay, I really like this setup.
I do. For this to be a shorter unit, they have utilized the space in here just really well. Your heating vent's going to be in the cabinet, not in the floor. Over here by your refrigerator.
Wow, that's good.
That's actually a good sized pantry
Oh, look.
there. And they give you a stool. Now I might could actually reach that top one, but just in case, you get a store if you can't.
And
12-volt compressor fridge.
And I think they said the newer ones are going to have even a bigger fridge than what these got too.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Well, that'll be something to be on the lookout for.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's show you this. Would we call this an L-shaped dinette?
I guess so.
It's not
like
a huge.
this.
I do like this. We were discussing when we first looked at it that we would love to have seen this as a free floating table, where you could add an ottoman over here for extra guests if they wanted to come hang out with you.
Yeah.
But this is a really nicely done dining area. There's going to be a little storage right there underneath it.
Yep.
And something
And
that
if I
Forest
can-
River is doing that is just so cool. You get a cornhole set
Yeah.
with it.
I
So
like that.
I love that. That is just awesome. Now, let me turn around, show you over here in your slide. Right next to your fridge is going to be your theater seating. Cup holders here.
Yeah,
Parachute
right
pull.
here.
Okay,
Yeah,
I knew it had to
okay.
be in there somewhere.
These huge
Big
windows.
windows, pleated
Wow.
shades for our power USB on this side.
Oh wow! Sorry, I think I missed your train of thought up.
You did just a little bit. Guys, I'm recovering from some kind of weird sinus crap.
Yeah, y'all send her a good get well
So
comment.
I'm trying really hard not to cough on camera. It's not easy. Right up here where your entertainment center is, wow, lots of storage all the way around that.
There we go.
Again, Forest River has done really well with this one. They have crammed a lot of stuff in this space. Of course, your TV is going to be right there. You do have an electric fireplace down here for those cooler mornings.
And it
So,
is on the
hey,
swivel, too.
yeah, if you want to swivel either way.
Yeah, that's nice.
We could be watching the Masters in here.
Could be playing in it.
But we're not. All right, let's go up these stairs. All your controls are going to be here. You've got your tank monitors, your water heater, fuses are going to be down here, all conveniently located. Okay. Yeah, your future's so bright you got to wear shades.
Oh my gosh, I've got to.
Hey, that was the theme of my senior yearbook, so that tells you how old I am. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Plenty of headroom in here. Great placement of that skylight.
Yep.
You do have an exhaust fan up here. Now, this particular shower, once you step over, it's level with the floor.
Yeah.
So that gives you all that extra headroom. Yeah, foot flush toilet here. Looks like you're going to have plenty of room in front of it. They give you a couple hooks right up there for some towels, robes. Hey, your tissue holder's already in place.
Oh, right. That's good.
The medicine cabinet is on the side over here, and we noticed that they have a lip to them. So if you put something in there, it probably will not move around in transit.
That's nice.
Do you have a mirror here? So there's not a medicine cabinet behind it.
What a
But-
sink.
That is a big sink.
I like that.
Yeah, well, you can actually get your hands in one. That's amazing. Down below the sink, you've got some open storage. That'd be a great place for a little trash bin if you want to put it down there. And yes, your heating's in the
All right.
wall.
In the wall. That is cool.
Moving
On to the bedroom.
in here.
Sorry, I took the word right out of your mouth.
You did.
Sorry.
That's okay. This is going to have a second AC in it. Let's turn these overhead lights on in here.
Oh, yeah,
we have lights in this one. Big storage up
Goodness.
above. You've got hanging. This is going to be on both sides. They have taken advantage of this extra space here in this front cap and given you a neat little headboard with power and USB on both sides. You do have lights for each side. And I'm going to hand this to him so he can show you.
You may have to step in here because they give you these,
Yeah, you've got these neat
Cubes.
little fabric bins.
but come on over here.
It is washer dryer prepped.
Yes.
And let me back up. Oh, there we go. All right. So it's very versatile. You can do what you need to in here. You've got a hanging bar. Of course, there's your hookups and stuff for your washer and dryer. Stackable should fit, or you could do a combo if you want. There's your water hookups. So, wow. And it's just nice and tucked away over here in the corner.
I like it.
Now your TV will go on this little wall if you want to add one. Now this is a mid-pro, so it is going to have a little bit of a step. I'll show you that step here. Just like that.
I can demonstrate it too over here with me.
Yes.
Being now, so tall that I am.
I have no issue standing up.
So I hit the ceiling, you know, right here on this first step.
Well,
but,
most people don't stand right there anyway.
Well, no, but you know.
They do give you a king bed, so that does take up a little bit of your space on the side, wow. But you have lots of room at the foot of the bed.
Yeah.
Big storage underneath it. So.
I like it.
Yeah, it's just
a really nice floor plan.
It is a very nice floor plan. And I'm just really liking this dining area. The more I look at it, the more I like it.
All right, everybody. If you like this Forest River Cardinal with the rear kitchen, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.